We've all seen the unboxing of the Curiosity box, which is right there. But what you haven't seen is, well, you already know by the title of the video. AirPods Pro. Fine with, I'm gonna, wireless charging case. All AirPods Pros have them. I already have currently have the normal second generation AirPods. Let's see. This is probably their normal gift wrap. I've actually never seen this before, and okay, how do you open it the rest of the way? There's something else to unbox, but that's coming in a separate video. You might have already seen it before. I was assuming I don't upload this first. Let's see. What's in there? Let's open them. Huh. And it's taking a while to come out of the box. Are they supposed to just lift off? Yeah. I think that makes them differently. I think that's what makes them distinguished. If you're wondering what now about my first AirPods, I'm gonna give them to my mom. Designed by Apple in California. There's the AirPods themselves. AirPods Pro. Yeah, my phone's if you haven't seen it already, my phone's an iPhone 12 Pro Max, and that's exactly what I'm filming this on. And that's the iPhone 11 Pro, I'm guessing. Might be, well, one of the iPhone 11 families. They're kind of hard to tell apart. That's an iPad Pro there. Apple will never adopt the hole punch Apple. For those of you who don't like Apple, I'll just try it. The iPod Touch is only $200. I unboxed the 6th generation 5 years ago, and now there's a 7th generation. It's an easy way to get an Apple. Let's see. Here are some other manuals. Let's see. Legal information and license agreements. More. Let's see. Safety stuff. Warranty information, regulatory information. That's probably only for legal reasons. Aha, here they are. Beautiful, aren't they? I'm not going to show the setup process. There are plenty of videos on that, and I'm not that would contradict the whole video. Never mind. Let's see. And here they are. Ready to be paired. Let's see, there's something else in here. What is it? Lightning USB-C cable. Nice. Oh crap, that's too much information. And that's it.